everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on It's My Pleasure's Colourpop palette. I'm so excited to do this review because I've had this palette for a while and I haven't had a chance to review it and do a look for you. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and let's get into this beautiful little gem. Look at these colors. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Colourpop It's My Pleasure palette. Of course it's purple. I love the color purple. So I did my first Colourpop review with the Mara palette, the blue kind of beachy one. And then I went onto Colourpop's website and I got a couple products from them. I really loved the Mara palette. It was really affordable. I think it was only like $10. I got that one from Ulta. And then, so I went on to Colourpop's website and I got these. I got a few more, so I'll be doing a couple more looks. Wow. Oh boy, look at these colors. They are all different shades of purple. Oh, I like it because it also has the names and the colors on the back. I'm gonna just do a quick kind of look with this because I love purple. It's so pretty. I don't know if I should just do this, stick to one palette, or should I stick to two? I think I'm just gonna stick to this one palette. So I'm gonna just start doing, I'm gonna try to do a couple little different things on my channel here. I've been so busy, you guys, like it's been crazy. Like during the weeks just fly by and I can't get anything straight, and I apologize. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is with this one. It's called Fan Fiction. I'll do a little swatch. That's how it shows up on my skin. And I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, but I don't want this one. Number 12. And I'm gonna go all in my crease. I mean my upper crease. It almost looks like a pinky color, or a mauve, and pinky mauve color. Okay, so I have put that color, Fan Fiction, all of my upper crease. So the next color I'm going to go in with is Chiclet. It's this darker purple right here. I'm going to go all in the crease with that one. And I'm going to take a Morphe 210 brush to do that. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really nice too. Oh wow, and like you can pack them on and they just go on really, really, really nice. And I'm a little biased because my favorite color again is purple, so purple is just an amazing color. And how do you get purple? When you mix blue and red together, you get purple. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go in with is Bare Minimum. It's this one on the end here. I'll do a little swatch of that. Chiclet, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that one too. Those are really pretty. Very, very pigmented. Yes, Colourpop, you win with this one. I absolutely love it. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush again. Morphe M504, and I'm gonna go in a little bit on the crease, the outer V. That looks so good on camera, and I got it in my eye. So this one has a little bit of fallout to it, but that's okay. Look how pretty that is. This palette is everything. I'm gonna go with Pretty Cruel. It's this one here. I'm gonna go just up on the inner crease, just to kind of lighten up this area. This is so pretty. I really love this palette, this little tiny palette. This might be my new travel palette. I absolutely love the purples in it. So I'm going to come off camera, finish up my look, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my look is completed. I put on some lashes. I put on a little bit of concealer and foundation on my face. And I also put on this Infallible Paint Lippy by L'Oreal. It's in the color Violet. What's the color? That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like on my lip. But I highly recommend this palette. This palette is only $12, so that was a really good deal. And the colors are very vibrant, very pigmented. I highly recommend this palette to anyone who loves purples or not, or just wants another monochrome palette in their collection. So yeah, that just concludes my video for today. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody.